Hi, I'm Dr. Lynn Lafferty. Welcome to drlynnlafferty.com and welcome to my pharmacy. My pharmacy is filled with so many beautiful plants that have medicinal properties. And a matter of fact, the drugs we take, most of them came from composition from these plants or from something that's inside your body. And you're going to learn all of that and more when you take my coursework. First of all, I want to talk to you about this beautiful sun that's shining in my face. It's providing vitamin D. That's the #1 immune builder. I'm here because I wanted to bring back the joy of learning. I've taught in a medical school and pharmacy school for over 13 years, and I was so blessed that they let me put courses together in herbal therapies and functional nutrition, and I'm so happy I can bring this to you because I'm going to have a longer period of time to give you so many things that I couldn't give those students. So when you come to one of my classes, you're going to learn so many things. We're going to teach you how to cut these beautiful plants, how to grow them the best way, how you can take these plants and you can make recipes with them, take them as tinctures or as teas, and different things you can do for your body. I'm going to teach you how to read medical literature. And the last thing that I'm really excited about is that I have been able, for the past 30 years of being in the field of herbal medicine and functional medicine, to be able to learn from some of the top minds in the country and great doctors. So you're going to have interviews from them, and they're also going to teach in the courses. So come with me weekly. Enjoy my garden, learn about the healing properties of plants, come into my kitchen, learn how to make things that you can give to your family that can heal their bodies. Let's bring back the joy of learning.